Hi guys, I'm currently in Ari. So this is my third time here, but most of the time lagi ako nasa Gumps Ari lang. But there's still a lot to explore here. There's a lot of cafes and restaurants. So this is a neighborhood full of restaurants and cafes. So we're gonna explore a lot of places today. But first, it's currently 1:55 and I haven't eaten anything yet, guys. So I'm gonna eat lunch for our first stop. So I went here to chicken rice place. I just got a set, guys, of chicken rice. Meron siyang soup, jasmine rice, and chicken. Let's try this. Lasang luya. This one is a pandan drink. So medyo parang tinola. Ayoko sana nung balat, pero hindi ko matanggal. Okay guys, I'm done eating doon sa Bantong chicken rice. So currently, we are just walking towards dun sa mga alam ko coffee shops or na-research ko din. But this is the vibe. Para siyang QC na ano ba tawag dun? Basta tahimik lang. Tahimik lang talaga yung area. Although, mainit ngayon. Taste ganda, guys. Time check, 2:40 p.m. Oh, ito. May nakita ko, wait. May nakita akong cute na place. Chuchu. Ano yung chuchu? Chicken din. Cute. So, it's a fried chicken and beer place. Convenient siya ganun. So, di tayo pwede dun. Nakakain lang natin. Ito lang tayo sa sidewalk. Din tong cafe na to pero gusto ko pumunta sa iba. Again, legal yung marijuana sa kanila. So, ayan, may ganyan. Yung mga restaurants din to. Tempo Bar. Kitsch. Ito, Vietnamese restaurant. Ito yung Gumps. Here yung Gumps Ari. Daanan ko na lang din to show you guys. Wala naman siguro si Win ulit dito, no? Yeah. This is the place. Merong... What if? Magkano to? Ano ang nakalagay? Itong sculpture is, ano to? Photo booth. Ito ako na-meet si Win, guys. Sorry. Eh, wala naman siya ngayon. Then, ito. Meron pang ibang shops. Actually, even upstairs. Bakit Taiwan yung nakalagay? Kanya din yung donut dito, guys. Masarap. Sa Donut Disturb. But I've been there quite a lot of times na, so I'm not going there anymore. I just showed you the overview. And yan, pinapawisan na ako ngayon. Ay, meron din cafe dito. Thong Yoi Cafe. Ito yung sa Donut Disturb. Alam niyo ba yan, guys? Lalabo. Mahal dyan. This is where we're going. Salt. Is it open?
Not
Ah,
yet.
no.
So
Okay.
sorry.
Thank you. Parang aga pala guys, kaya sarado yung coffee shop. So, punta muna tayo sa iba. Actually, ang dami pa dito. So, okay lang. This is the other one that I saw. Another one. Open na siya guys per Google Maps. So, pasok tayo. Parang wala lang tao but bukas ba? Parang ginagawa talaga siya. So, sa iba na lang ako punta. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo guys yung taas ng Gumps Ari. Kasi last month di kami umakit dito eh. So, let's see kung ano yung mga bago. Cute naman ito. Mga Hello Kitty yata ito. So this is Gumps Ari, guys. So this is like a community space with lots of cafes. Ito, sa isang, para siyang isang compound, if that's what you call it, ng mga cafe and restaurants. Kung ano-anong shops. Hello.
Yes, sent over.
Sobrang kulimlim. Usually ganitong oras mainit pa. But ngayon, it's raining. Sakatong pagdating ng bulan. So, walang brown guys. So, try ko pa tumingin. Pangalawang branch na or shop. Wala pa. Finally. Pag dito, wala pa rin oh. Guys, wala. Next Friday pa daw yung restock ng brown na speed cut. So, ayun. Wala na rito sa Central World. Kakain na lang muna ako, guys. Bye. So, guys, mag-bye na tayo dito sa Bangkok. Hopefully, makabalik ako agad kapag may event ulit. But yeah, that was a fun, 11 days, 12 days. Yeah, I really enjoy Bangkok and I will always go back here. Yan lang. Bye! That's it, guys. It's currently 8:39. My flight is at 11:40, so I need to go down in a bit.
so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.